In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your project from Lovable step by step. We'll walk through two simple ways to get your code: downloading individual files directly from Lovable, or downloading the entire project as a zip through GitHub. Follow along and choose the option that fits your workflow. Start by heading to lovable.ai and signing in. On your dashboard, locate the project or application you want to export and open it. This brings you to the project overview, where you can access all the tools tied to your app. Hover over the three-dot menu in the project interface and select Code. This opens the Code Editor view. On the left, you'll see your project's folder structure. Click the file you want to work with so it appears in the main editor pane. If you only need a snippet or a single file, you can copy the code manually. Click inside the editor, select the content you need, and copy it to your clipboard. This is great for quick fixes or when you want to paste code into another editor. Just remember to keep the original file paths and imports intact when you paste into your local project so everything continues to run correctly. If you prefer to save a file directly, use the Download File button in the upper right corner of the editor. Your browser will save that file to your default downloads folder. Rename it if needed, and place it in the correct directory on your machine to maintain your project's structure. You can repeat this for as many files as you need. When you're done, or if you want the entire project, close the editor by clicking Close. Back on the project page, select the GitHub logo and choose the account or organization you want to use. This opens the repository linked to your project. Make sure you're in the correct account if you work across multiple orgs. On the GitHub repository page, click the green code button. From the drop-down, choose Download Zip. Your browser will download a zip file containing the full source code and folders. After the download completes, unzip it on your computer. You'll have everything you need in one place, ready to open in your preferred IDE, commit to a different repo, or archive for safekeeping. If something isn't visible, try expanding your browser window or ensuring you're signed in with the right permissions. And that's it. Whether you need one file or the whole project, you now know the cleanest paths to get your code from Lovable to your local machine. Congratulations.